Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to chat about an important topic for homeowners in Coachella Valley: furnace maintenance. With temperatures dropping unexpectedly during colder months, it pays to know what to expect when it comes to servicing your furnace. Keeping your heating system in top shape not only ensures your home stays warm, but also helps you avoid any surprise repair bills. A basic annual tune-up typically costs between $100 and $300. This service covers a thorough inspection, cleaning, and adjustments, usually taking a couple of hours to complete. For those who prefer a consistent approach, some HVAC companies offer monthly maintenance plans for about $15 a month. These plans include regular inspections and priority service, providing peace of mind and potentially reducing long-term costs. When it comes to repairs, the cost can vary widely. Simple repairs might cost anywhere from $70 to $150 per hour.
We'll get right back to today's program. But first, let me share something that can save homeowners in the Coachella Valley and Riverside area, both time and money. It's our Comfort Club membership, a simple, affordable way to keep your HVAC system running at its best. For just $14.95 a month, we'll come out twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall, to service your system. We'll replace your filter, ensure your air conditioner or heater is running efficiently and safely, and even drain your water heater once a year to extend its life and improve performance. Regular maintenance doesn't just save you on energy bills, it also extends the life of your system, saving you thousands in the long run. And if you have more than one unit, it's just an additional $10.95 per unit per month. Click the link in the description to sign up and become a Comfort Club member today. It's peace of mind year-round. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program.
While emergency repairs can set you back between $300 and $500. A comprehensive cleaning of the furnace system, which is key for maintaining efficiency and air quality, can add an extra $100 to $300 to your overall expenses. Several factors can influence these costs. The type and age of your furnace are important, as older units or high-efficiency models may require specialized maintenance or more frequent repairs. Service provider rates can vary depending on their expertise and any additional offerings such as warranties or emergency support. The intensity of system usage during the colder months also plays a role, as a furnace that is used heavily will likely need more regular maintenance. The overall scope of the service, like whether ductwork cleaning is included, can further affect the price. And if you ever need urgent or after-hours service, be prepared for higher fees. If you are in Coachella Valley and need reliable furnace servicing, Anthem Air Conditioning and Plumbing is a trusted option. They offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees and flexible financing options to keep your service affordable. With a strong reputation for excellence and a commitment to customer satisfaction, their licensed contractors provide honest recommendations based on what is best for your home and budget. Their Anthem Club membership also offers exclusive benefits, priority service, and regular maintenance checks to ensure your furnace runs efficiently all year long. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions or are ready to schedule your furnace service, give them a call at 760-895-2621. Stay warm and have a great day.